If you are past 60 and believe that building muscle requires expensive protein supplements, what I am about to explain could save you hundreds of dollars while delivering even better results than those costly products. The purpose here is not shortcuts, but identifying the most powerful budget-friendly muscle-building foods that outperform anything sold in an overpriced nutrition store. This is the difficult reality many older adults face today. After age 50, you lose roughly 1 to 2% of your muscle mass each year. By the time you reach 80, as much as 30% of your strength may already be gone. At the same time, protein prices have climbed sharply. Specialty foods, premium protein powders, and high-end cuts of meat now cost a small fortune. But what if I told you that 7 specific protein-dense foods, each costing under $3 per serving, can stimulate muscle growth more effectively than expensive supplements? The fitness industry wants you to believe that gaining muscle requires spending over $200 a month on powders, elite steaks, and branded nutrition products. That story, however, is incomplete. What they rarely mention is that some of the most powerful muscle-building proteins are hiding in the least expensive aisles of your grocery store, overlooked simply because they lack flashy marketing. Over the last 3 years, I have studied why some seniors remain strong and capable well into their 80s, despite earning similar incomes as others who become frail and dependent. What I discovered genuinely surprised me. Before we begin, like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from and your age. Subscribe for more natural health tips. We love hearing from our community. I also want to know if this message resonates with you. If it does, type 1 in the comments. If it does not, type 0. The answer had nothing to do with spending more money on nutrition. The real objective was identifying affordable foods with the most bioavailable protein that aging muscles can truly absorb and use. Interestingly, the seniors who maintained the most muscle often spent less on protein than those who were losing it. In the next few minutes, I will reveal 7 low-cost protein foods that build muscle without draining your budget, ranked from helpful to absolutely essential. I will break down their exact cost, explain why they outperform expensive alternatives, and show you how to prepare them for maximum muscle benefit. Stay with me because the #1 protein costs less than 50 cents per serving and delivers more usable protein than pills that cost 20 times more. Let's begin with number 7. Number 7, canned sardines. They deliver 23 grams of complete protein for roughly $1.25 per can. While sardines may not appeal to everyone, for budget-conscious seniors aiming to build muscle, these small fish pack far more power than their size suggests. Their strength does not come from protein quantity alone, but from protein quality and completeness. Sardines provide all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair and growth, along with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and slow muscle breakdown in older adults. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to inflammatory damage, and chronic low-grade inflammation can destroy tissue faster than it can be rebuilt. That is why this combination matters so much. Seniors who ate small fatty fish like sardines twice weekly over a 3-year period lost significantly less muscle than those who consumed fish only occasionally. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3s preserved muscle tissue that would otherwise be lost to inflammation. Even more impressive, those who regularly consumed sardines maintained better grip strength, walking speed, and overall mobility, showing real-world functional benefits. From a budget standpoint, sardines are hard to beat. Each can cost about $1.25, yet delivers protein quality comparable to a $6 salmon fillet. They also include soft, edible bones that supply calcium to support bone strength. Convenience is another advantage. They store well, require no cooking, and can be eaten straight from the can. Unlike fresh fish that spoils quickly, sardines allow you to stock up during sales and always have quality protein available. If taste is a concern, mash them with avocado, lemon juice, and herbs on toast, Mix them into pasta salads, combine them with eggs, spread them on crackers with seasoning, or blend them into dressings. Consistency matters most. Even 1 can per week provides meaningful muscle support at a fraction of the cost of other protein sources. If sardines offer affordable, complete protein, the next food provides something muscles need even more. Number 6. Cottage cheese. It contains 24 grams of protein per cup and costs about $2.50 for a 16-ounce container. Though often overlooked, cottage cheese is one of the most effective muscle-building foods for seniors on a budget. What makes it special is its high casein protein content. Casein digests slowly, supplying muscles with amino acids over several hours. This slow release is especially valuable for older adults because aging muscles respond less efficiently to protein intake. Scientists call this anabolic resistance, and sustained amino acid delivery helps overcome it. Think of it like sipping water steadily instead of drinking it all at once. Your muscles can only use so much protein at a time, and casein ensures less is wasted. Research from McMaster University showed that older adults consuming casein before bed experienced increases in muscle strength, even without exercise. Taking it at night allows protein to work during the body's natural repair phase. This is particularly helpful since sleep quality often declines with age, yet muscle repair can still continue. Cottage cheese is also remarkably affordable and versatile. A single 16-ounce container provides nearly 100 grams of high-quality protein for less than 3 cents per gram. By comparison, a single protein bar may cost the same but provide only 20 grams. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that seniors who ate cottage cheese 4 times per week gained more muscle and grip strength than those who did not. They also showed improved bone density, likely due to the synergy between protein and calcium. Full-fat versions are preferable, as fats improve protein absorption and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which supports muscle function. Cottage cheese can be eaten plain, mixed with berries, blended into smoothies, or used in savory dishes. Some even substitute it for ricotta in recipes to boost protein intake affordably. If cottage cheese delivers slow-release protein, the next food provides another critical muscle-building advantage. Number 5. Lentils. Each cooked cup provides about 18 grams of protein and costs under $1.50 per pound. While they may not look impressive, lentils offer a complete nutritional package that supports muscle growth, sustained energy, and recovery. Their power lies not just in protein, but in their combination of fiber, iron, B vitamins, and plant compounds. Iron deficiency, common among seniors, can weaken muscles long before it affects blood tests. Lentils help correct this hidden issue often mistaken for aging. They also contain leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, making them one of the few plant foods capable of doing so. Though not complete proteins alone, when eaten with grains or nuts throughout the day, they supply everything muscles need. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who regularly consumed legumes had better physical function and muscle preservation than those relying mostly on animal protein. Researchers attributed this to the anti-inflammatory compounds and fiber that improve nutrient absorption. A pound of lentils provides roughly 8 servings of protein for about $1.50, costing under 20 cents per serving. They cook quickly, store well, and adapt to soups, salads, and stews. Red lentils cook fastest and break down into a soft texture ideal for those with chewing difficulties. Green and brown lentils hold their shape and add substance to meals. Cooking them with garlic, ginger, or turmeric enhances digestion and muscle benefits. Number 4. Canned tuna. At about $1 per can, it delivers roughly 22 grams of high-quality protein. Canned tuna provides the same protein quality as fresh fish at a fraction of the cost. Its amino acid profile is ideal for muscle growth, and it is naturally lean, making it perfect for building muscle without excess fat. As digestion efficiency declines with age, tuna's highly absorbable protein becomes increasingly valuable. Studies show absorption rates above 90% even in adults over 70. At under 5 cents per gram of protein, tuna dramatically undercuts protein powders. Choose water-packed varieties to limit calories, and rotate with other fish to minimize mercury exposure. Tuna works well in salads, patties, wraps, or eaten straight with whole grain crackers. Number 3. Whole eggs. A dozen costs about $2.50 and provides 6 grams of complete protein per egg. Eggs offer unmatched protein quality and bioavailability, meaning your body uses nearly every gram. Half of the protein and essential nutrients like leucine, vitamin D, and choline are found in the yolk. Research from the University of Illinois showed that whole eggs stimulated 40% more muscle growth after exercise than egg whites alone. The nutrients in the yolk enhance protein use from the whites. Eggs also supply vitamin D in a highly absorbable form due to their natural fat content. With less than 4 cents per gram of protein, eggs are among the most cost-effective muscle foods available. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Each cup provides about 20 grams of protein, with a 32-ounce container costing around $5. Greek yogurt contains both fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein, providing immediate and sustained muscle support. Its probiotics improve gut health, nutrient absorption, and inflammation control. A Tufts University study found that seniors who ate Greek yogurt regularly gained muscle mass and improved walking speed and leg strength. Choose full-fat, plain versions without added sugar for best results. It works well in smoothies, meals, or as a sour cream replacement. Everything so far leads to the number 1 most affordable muscle-building food. Dried beans. Each cooked cup provides 15 grams of protein, with a pound costing roughly $1.20. That equals about 12 servings for pennies each. Beans deliver protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, and minerals essential for muscle repair. Their anti-inflammatory compounds protect muscle tissue and improve circulation. A long-term study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate beans regularly preserved muscle mass and independence longer than those who did not. Beans can be batch-cooked, frozen, and used in countless dishes. At less than 1 cent per gram of protein, no other food offers more muscle value per dollar. Here is the bottom line. You do not need expensive supplements or premium diets to build muscle after 60. The most effective muscle-building foods are often the least expensive. This week, choose just 2. Make a pot of beans. Eat Greek yogurt in the morning. Add sardines or tuna for lunch. Track what you spend now and compare it to these options. You will likely gain more muscle while cutting costs. Consistency matters more than perfection. Your muscles respond to reliable, affordable nutrition, not marketing. Share this message with anyone who believes strength is out of reach on a budget. Nature has already provided everything you need to stay strong, without spending a fortune.